Hey everyone, my name is Lucky and today is the topic is global warming. And so let's start. Global warming is one of the most alarming and sensitive issue of the past and present decade. It is simultaneously defined as the increase of temperature of the atmosphere and water bodies of Earth. Gradually, it is showing direct effect on its climate. One of the main reason from this change is the increased amount of emission of greenhouse gases led by carbon dioxide, which traps the heat in the earth atmosphere, making it warm. These greenhouse gases are necessary to keep the temperature of the planet from falling below freezing freezing level. But but an excessive amount of it has had negative effect due to increased retention of heat. The increased amount is mainly due to excessive burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, distracted agriculture practices, and destructive human activities. Some call it a hoax, saying it a pandemic phenomena that happens clerically over a period of time. But the alarming rise in temperature and the rapid melting of ice cap have got everyone worried of its actual potential. Global warming or climate change is mainly caused by greenhouse gases. The major greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide, other significant one being methane. The United States of America is responsible for around 25% of the total carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere. The average temperature of Earth has increased by 1.4 degree Fahrenheit from the last century. The temperature is the Arctic region has seen an increase of amount double the global average. The wildlife has been hit hard by global warming as indigenous criticize like polar bees and color reef and all of these. A lot of evidence suggested the global warming has affected our planet is the worst way possible over the past decade. The amount of carbon dioxide emission has almost doubled and the highest over the past 8 lakh years. The directed climatic, climate change will be destructive for natural vegetation, the natural habitat of wildlife, alter the natural crops cycle and will spread disease. There have been warming signs of an alarming rise in sea level over the past few years and threatening a number of coastal leads it to be submerged. The climate change will also turn the planet into a hub for a number of infections, disease, and parasites in infections. Some places will become too hot and inhabitable, cause a migration of people, leading to a refugee crisis. A lot of animals are dependent on the Arctic region for the survival, like the Arctic birds, the ringed sealers, and all of these. How to reduce global warming? Through global warming happens on a broader aspect. You can contribute in beginning down the negative effect of it by addressing its root cause to trying to rectify that few methods to reduce global warming as an individual are: say no to deforestation. Trees absorb and store carbon dioxide and gives out fresh oxygen to breathe. Therefore, it is apt that an effect is made to save them. Rapid deforestation has become very common now, mainly to convert forests into lands for businesses. Profits. You should stand up against this by spreading the idea of the importance of trees and plantation. Plant trees. Another way to contributing deforestation is planting trees wherever possible. The life of every tree is important, so every tree you plant, you are working towards making the plant is better place to live. Used to renewable source of energy. There are enough renewable source of energy of around you which can be utilized smartly for various purposes while reducing to need to burn fossil fuel. These fossil fuel emitted the increased amount of carbon dioxide which directly contribute to global warming. Renewable energy resources like wind, solar energy, water, electricity should be harvested effectively. Avoid using vehicles that eject a lot of harmful emission into the atmosphere. Switch to cycle or e-bike for transport. Use public transport whenever possible. Most of the records of high temperatures have been broken in the century, with 2016 being the hottest year of the 1880. There has been a rise of 1.4 degree Fahrenheit in the global average. The ice coverage the ice coverage over the Arctic Sea has reduced by 4.1% since 1879. Sea level are increasing at the rate of 2.5 mm per year, highest in the past 2000 years. Coral reef like the Great Barrier Reef in Australia are extremely sensitive in the climate change. There have been damage severely due to blessing lead to the death of almost two-thirds of the total extent. There has been the reduction in pH of ocean water by 0.1, making the acidic. Temperature change are likely to be as high as 6 degree by 21,000 2100. 25% to 35% of the wildlife is on the verge of being listed as end- endangered species. Conclusion: no matter how much you close your eyes and years and go on with your life. Global warming is something that will affect everyone. Eventually, being a resident of the planet it should be your endeavors of save your home from losing the stature of a habitable one and pave a better future for the generation to come. Fight global warming now. So please like this video, and if I wrong this sentence, please sorry, and माफ़ करना जो मेरी गलती होगी, प्लीज़।